Hello, I'm Renee, the founder of Creatomus Solutions. Together with Homeatix, we have created something that redefines how people design their homes. A configurator you can actually talk to. You describe what you want: more light, a bigger kitchen, a wooden facade, and it instantly shows your ideas come to life. It's quick, intuitive, and honestly a bit addictive too. What's powerful is that every design still stays within the real rules of manufacturing and assembly. So what you see is truly buildable. It's a glimpse into the future of how homes will be imagined, configured, and made. Let's have a look.
Okay, let's see how it works. This is a basic social media app with familiar controls where you can see the feed, and in this feed you can see other houses generated by other users. You can see different designs, you can see what the progress was made, how they transformed their houses, you can see different stages of iterations, and of course you can like the ones that seem interesting, share them, or go and try to buy them. But that's not the most important part. Most interesting thing in this application is when you create your own design. Let's try to see how it works. If you click this plus button, first you will have a 3D model loaded for you. This is your way to explore this house model. It's just one house model for now, but once you're happy with your camera angle, with the composition of your frame, now you can start your generation. And you have three options. You can just chat, you can use your voice, or you can use the manual controls. Most interesting is the voice, of course. So let's see how that thing works. All right, hello, how are you doing?
Quite unnecessary, isn't it? Asking about my well-being? I'm here for your dream home, not a cup of tea. Let's get on with it, shall we? Tell me, season, location, and what sort of front you fancy.
Okay, let's think about it. Season, definitely an autumn, because it's autumn right now. About location, I think somewhere where beetles are from. Maybe like that.
Ah, autumn it is. And Liverpool, I presume, home of the Beatles? Smashing. Now who's the house for, and what do you fancy out front?
Well, let's make it house for the big family with children.
Big family, children, got it. I'd suggest a garden out front, perfect for the little rascals. Agree, or something else in mind?
Yeah, let's see how it looks. All right, as you can see, generation just started. Let's wait for the result and see what the conversation resulted into. Okay, here we go. This is indeed an autumn, looks like a Liverpool, and we have some things that hint that there is a house for a big family with the kids. And now we're in the tab called My Designs. So this is the thing that I just generated, and you can see all my previous designs, all my previous attempts into creating different designs of this house. But what is interesting is, of course, their ability to modify these images. So let's click this edit button, and here you can say what you can or what you want to change about this image. And of course, you can use the voice here as well. So let's see. Let's make a different season maybe. Turn this into a winter picture. All right, we have our edit, and let's apply this change. All right, it immediately turned into winter, so we can see both of the options, the initial one and the one that we just generated. So you have control over your generations, you can modify them the way you want. That's basically it. That's how this configurator works. Good luck and have fun.